Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an ASOS haul. Because my wedding anniversary is coming up September 21st. My husband has surprised me with a trip to Puerto Rico, so I went and grabbed a couple things. ASOS is like literally one of my favorite places to shop at, and goodies came early, so I'm so excited to get through them. Hopefully we find a couple of cute pieces to add into our wardrobe. I didn't want to go crazy and buy a lot of stuff because I still have a ton of summer clothes that I've had over the last couple years, and you know, on a weight loss journey, it's not smart to spend a lot of money on new clothes when you're kind of like, you know, in the journey of like going down and up and down and up and kind of, you know, so I'm just using a lot of my same clothing, but I wanted to grab a couple of pieces, you know, to have some new stuff, because who doesn't love new stuff for their vacation? So let's start. I don't even remember what I grabbed here. Oh, okay, I grabbed this really cute two-piece set. Should we do the two-piece set first? Let me show you the top and the bottom. So the top is a size, I think it's a US 18, and it's such a pretty coral, light coral color. Look how beautiful this is. This is a size, the top I got in a size US 18. I got an 18 because I figured if it was a little big, that's okay, and I didn't want it to get too small because then I won't be able to wear it. So hopefully this fits properly. Also, you know, like when you're hot, you don't like your clothes to be too tight, and sometimes when you're sweating and you're hot and you're in a hot climate, you're you swell a little bit. So I wanted to make sure that I had space. So let me grab this skirt. I'm gonna dump everything. Look at this skirt. It's a beautiful maxi skirt, same color, same design, and then we're gonna try it on together. I'm so excited. I hope it fits. The skirt has a nice elastic waist in the back, so a lot of space. And I got this in a size 20, I believe. Okay, no, I got an 18 because it's super flowy. Look how pretty it is. Okay, let's try it on. I'm so excited. Okay, so it is a little bit big on me, but I think it freaking eats. It's super long. It's super beautiful. Oh my God. Like I said, it is. I'm gonna bring it down so you guys can see. It is big on me. Like, see the waist? I probably could have gone to 16, but it'll be okay for this one trip. I can always get it fixed for the next one. Get it taken in, get it hemmed. Oh, I forgot there's pumpkins back there for Halloween, for Christmas, for fall. And the top is a little big on me as well. I'll just have to wear like a bathing suit top underneath it or something. The cool thing about this top though is it goes on like a bra, so it has hooks like a bra, and you can tighten it or loosen it. I have to put it all the way on the most tight option. I should have gotten to 16, but at least when I sit down, I'll be comfortable, I'll have space. I am gonna have to like hold it when I wear it because it's very long on me, but this eats. This is a look, honey. This is a look. At least for this trip. I moved the camera back so that we can see the whole look a little bit better. Sorry for the mess. Like I said, I'm like in between packing, so I have like my carry-ons and like makeup everywhere because we leave on Tuesday and today is Saturday. But this is a look. Like I said, I have to hold it when I walk, but I'm kind of used to that because most things fit me big, so like long. But this is a look. This makes me feel super Puerto Rican. I love it. I think it's so cute. What do you guys think? Oh, the photos in this are going to devour. Okay, the next thing is another set. This is a completely different type of set. It is a cheesecloth top and bottom, and I got this as like a everyday chill vibe. So it's an oversized button down and then matching shorts. And I also got these in a pretty big size because I wanted to make sure it fit oversized, because I want something that I could throw on when we are running out, you know. This is a size, the bottom is a size, what? It says it's a US 22-24. Yeah, so I got a 22-24 in the bottoms because I figured they were going to be running small. And then the top is a US 18-20. So let's try it on, hopefully it fits. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got the perfect sizing. So the top, like I said, is an 18-20. It is pretty big, but the shorts I think fit great. I feel like the top is going to be really cute, like tied up. Also as an oversized beach shirt with like a bikini underneath. I love wearing beach shirts. They're my favorite like cover up. And the shorts fit perfectly. They're the perfect length. They're super, super comfortable. I think I got the perfect size because they're comfortable. I can throw these in my beach bag and always have a cute outfit. This is just one of those perfect vacation outfits that you can like throw on for everything. Like if you're going to the beach, you could throw this on. You always look cute and then you're always prepared for something else. Also, we're going to be going to the rainforest, so this will probably be my rainforest outfit. That way I'm covered up. If I need a break from the sun, I'm protected. And then also I can throw this on over a wet bikini and it'll dry really fast because of the material. So it's like the perfect thing. And like I said, this is like double use because I can use it as a cover up. I can also mix and match and wear the shorts with something else. It's just like the perfect little set. Hopefully they still have this when I post this. So I'm gonna post it right now. Literally, I'm gonna literally do no edits for this video. And I'm just gonna straight up post it for you guys. So hopefully they have everything because I just purchased all of this like 2 days ago. So I'm trying to give you up-to-date information. But I love this so much. It's super lightweight, super cute. And I think also I can wear this in the fall. Like I feel like this button down with like brown trousers would be so cute as a fall outfit. You could even wear these shorts in the fall with like a sweatshirt on top for a cute little weekend outfit. It's just like chef's kiss, obsessed. I also picked up these shorts, which are kind of similar. They're a little bit shorter. The waist is huge, but it also has elastic in the back, which is nice. I got a size 24 in these because I really wanted it to fit comfortably. My hips and my thighs and butts are my biggest area. So we'll see. They look a little short, but these would be nice to just have an extra pair of shorts to throw in my bag. Like I said, when you're going to vacation, doing, you know, like tropical places, it's really good to have a lot of like little shorts that you can always throw in your bag so that no matter what, you have something comfortable. And just to have different options for days when you're hot, you're uncomfortable, you're running little errands, especially when you're going to, like, I'm going to Puerto Rico and I'm going to stay in my grandma's house for a couple nights. So we're going to be in the neighborhood I grew up in. So, you know, a lot of times you just hop in the car to go get like some corner store food or to go to the little areas that you know, and sometimes you just want to throw on something comfortable, simple, not really worry too much about looking super cute, just want to be pulled together, kind of like the tropical equivalent of like your favorite leggings. And I don't really have anything like that right now, so that's a long-winded way of saying let's hope these work. Okay, pleasantly surprised. They actually are a little bit big. Look at that. Like, they're actually big. I mean, I know I'm not size 24, but I'm actually shocked. So, I mean, they fit, but they fit big. So, I don't know. I might still just bring them. I feel like I could get away with it. Especially if I wear this shirt kind of covering. Like, look at the back. They're completely falling in the back. But, they could be cute, like I said, as like a little beach short, just to be comfortable. So they were on sale. I'm gonna keep them. All right, last two things I picked up are bathing suit tops. I just wanted a couple new little bikini tops that were different than things that I already have, and I loved this red and white little bandeau knot top, and then this little black and white. It just gives very like classic chic old money vibes. I love that, with some red lipstick, some cat eye sunglasses with black bottoms, super classic and chic. That's like my favorite thing. So the red one is a size 16, 14, I don't know what size this is. Girl, where's the size? The tag is so confusing. Oh, here it is. It's a size 14. This is the top, size 14. And then this top, I want to say this one's also a 14. Yes, this one's also a 14. So let's try them on. I'm gonna leave on the shorts that I have on now. Oh my god, this is so cute. Stop it. Look. Okay, loving this. Also, it has like a little plastic thing here, so it kind of like holds it. And you know, I have very saggy girls naturally, so having it kind of that extra security. This is so cute. Okay, I can't wait to see this with red lipstick. It's gonna eat. I wish I had a red bottom, but I don't. But I'll just wear it with black. So cute. Or I could wear it with white. That would be really cute. I might wear it with white. So cute. Okay, I'm so excited to try on the other one now. Okay, so surprisingly, the skirt is decent. It definitely requires shapewear, just because of the fit. I hit the pumpkin again. Let me lower the camera. Yeah, it definitely requires shapewear because of this whole area and a lot of thigh action happening. But with like a skin tone shapewear, I think it's really cute. I feel like it's different, but in the same vein of things that I like to wear, but still a little bit different. And the only thing that I actually have that I think would look good with it is this top. I'm not gonna try it on because this has a very small opening and I'll get makeup all over it. But just to give you an idea, I think this is like the only top I have that would actually look nice with this. I think it's really, really cute. I actually have a red carpet on Monday for Halle Berry's new movie, Get Out, Stay In. What is it called? Don't get out. Don't stay in. No, I know it. I know it. Hold on. It's called Never Let Go, that one. So I'm going to the red carpet premiere on Monday for it. I'll be walking the carpet, and so this could be an option. It is like a horror movie, so I wanted to dress a little bit in something darker, but at the same time, it's all about the look, you know? So I might try this outfit out. I think it's really cute. It could be really nice with like pearl earrings, demure, classy. I'm into it. Okay. That is the final look. I think this is the first time or the final haul. I think this is the first time in a long time that like all the pieces worked. Even though some of them were a little too big, I think they all worked. I'm shocked. I'm shocked, honey. I'm shocked. Anyway, the links for everything will be down below. Like I said, this is going to be a non-edited video, so I'm posting it right now. I'm just putting the clips together and posting it for you guys. So everything should still be available. Link down below. Also, if you guys want exclusive links and want to be like the first in real time to get updated links and things like that, follow me on Instagram, but also join my channel, my broadcast channel on Instagram. I have actually been sharing exclusively as I'm trying on the photos and the links to the outfits, so they are getting first dibs. So if things sell out by the time this video is up, I'm sorry, but definitely join that channel. I'm going to be sharing more exclusives there, more links, first dibs, exclusive photos, recipes, just really talking to you guys like it's a group friend chat. And also I'm going to be having you guys help me pick thumbnails for videos, photos for like my posts, what carousels I should use, what edits I should do. So I'm really going to involve you guys more in my creative process in that channel. So definitely join. I would love to grow that community. I want to do more giveaways in that community. Like definitely want to grow that community so that when it's time to do meetups across the country, we have a community already strong there. So follow there, join. I would love to have you as an official glam girl on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Stay glam. Thank you for being here. Te quiero, te quiero, te quiero. Besitos.